What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on AMC stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's start with the company profile. AMC Entertainment Holdings through its subsidiaries involved in the theatrical exhibition business. The company owns, operates or has interests in theaters. As of March 12, 2021, it operated approximately 1,000 theaters and 10,700 screens in the United States and internationally. Let's continue with their numbers. For now, they have a total market cap of $6.4 billion. They have a revenue of $449.2 million with a negative net income of $2.98 billion. They have a huge negative revenue growth of 91.38%, and of course this is the result of pandemic hit. They have a total cash of $813.1 million. They have a total debt of $11.05 billion. And their current ratio is not so good, it is a 0.64. And let me remind you that a rather good current ratio starts from the mark of 1.5. So, from the financial standpoint, it is not the best company to put your money in for the long term, but as you might know, the main catalyst for this company for now is Reddit thread and retail investors. And this community is awesome. Let me show you this news. We are on Seeking Alpha and this news was published on May 17th and it's titled AMC rallying towards 7th gain amid a rekindled battle of retail revolutionaries and shorts. And let me quote you these bullets. AMC Entertainment is 7.5% higher and aiming for its 7th straight daily gain, alongside the return of heavy bullish chatter among online retail investors and the likelihood of a renewed short squeeze. Hashtag AMC squeeze is among today's very top Twitter trends, a clear indication that meme traders are taking another run at driving shares higher. Shares had locked their 6th straight gain on Friday, juiced by B-Rally FBR raising its price target based on a capital rise cutting the company's need for new liquidity. Since closing at $9 on Thursday, May 6th, the stock has risen 54% across 7 trading sessions. The rally follows an almost equally long slump of 8 straight down sessions between April 27 and May 6th. So, as you can see, we have a huge rally and this rally was made with this hashtag. And as you might know, we have a roller coaster in price of this stock since the February of 2021. And let me show you one more news. We are on Yahoo Finance and this article was published just a couple of hours ago. And it's titled AMC stock roars amid boost from Reddit, meme stock squeeze. And let me quote you Adam Aron. He is a CEO of AMC. And he suggested that AMC fared better than other movie theater chains. We've taken share from those who stayed closed or those who have gone bankrupt, according to a Wall Street Journal report. Smaller chains like Alamo Drafthouse have filed for bankruptcy and closed a number of locations. AMC may also benefit from increased vaccination rates, with 37% of the United States population now fully vaccinated. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, predicted last month that Americans could potentially go to the movies without wearing masks by the fall or early winter. And of course, it is a very good bullish sign for the company itself, but it is not enough. And let me quote you this. Still, even amid the waning pandemic and revived enthusiasm among short sellers, one veteran media analyst told Yahoo Finance last week that AMC is a secular decline as more and more streaming options become available. And this is the main downside for this company for the long term, because as you know, streaming services like Netflix or Amazon, they are becoming more and more popular. And that's why we can see the decline in demand on old school cinema theaters. And with that information, let me show you institutional investors. And as you can see, we have several filings and some of them are in green line This means that these companies are opening their position, and the latest filings was made on May 17th, just yesterday. We have this as our latest news, and we can see even Citadel advisors, but let me show you more thoroughly. They have call options for amount of $42 million and the put options of a little bit less than $58 million. So they are bearish on AMC, and let me show you the short interest of this company. We have a short volume ratio for now at a level of 30.66, and from the fundamental standpoint, all this information leads us not to buy the stock. But of course, as you might know, retail investors are the real power on this market right now. And with this power, we can see this huge surge in price for more than 60% from the bottom right here to this top. And it is what it is. So, before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. I made my previous video right here at the end of February, and I've told you that we might hit the 0.65 level from this top to this bottom and bounce back from it, and it happened. Since then, we didn't break this level anymore. As you can see, we are hovering above this level. So technically, this means from this point, if you follow my call, you are still up for about 86%. Not so bad. Even in the lowest point, you were up about 8%, and it is also very good. But what to expect next from this stock? Let's switch to 4-hour time frame, and let me show you indicators. Right here, we can see that we might have a bearish divergence if this peak will be lower than this one, and if we will go lower from this point, if we will have this decline, it will confirm the bearish divergence. And what is the bearish divergence? It is when we can see lower high on RSI with the higher high on the price action. If we can see this type of trends, this means anytime soon we might have a trend reversal and we might go lower to unload the entire structure. And let me show you one more thing. As you can see, we have very good price action at the extended hours. And to benefit from trading on extended hours, you can use my referral link of the WeBull brokerage, because WeBull allows you to trade absolutely for free on the full extended hours from 4 a.m. till 8 p.m. So just use my referral link down below. And let's continue with the analysis. Let's switch to 3-hour time frame. Right here, we don't have bearish divergence yet, but we are still very overbought according to RSI. This means we might have slight pullback. Let's switch to 2-hour time frame. We have bearish divergence as well from this point to this point, and we have this peak and this peak. And it is also bearish divergence. On top of that, if you take a look on a MACD indicator, you can see that this bar is lower than any bar at this range. This means we are losing momentum despite of we are climbing higher and higher. This means we can go lower from this point, and my main suggestion is not to enter your position right here at this point. You have to wait until the retracement. And on top of that, if you want to invest in this type of risky assets, always follow my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. It is the most important rule. Second one, do not go all in, because almost always you can ladder your buys down in order to have a more attractive price in the future. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And this is also because of the volatility. So let me show you one more thing. If we switch to daily time frame, you can see that right here we have previous peak, internal peak, and this line acts as a major resistance. In my opinion, we might hit this level again at this point and then go back to have more steam and potentially to have more gains in the future. But if you want to invest in this asset for the long term, basically I don't think that it is a rather good idea. I think for now it is one of the best short-term gainers, but you have to be extremely cautious. And let me show you the retracement and potential levels where we might land our price. So I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the structure to the top of the structure. And right here we can see different levels. In my opinion, we will poke through the level of 0.236 and potentially maybe even break the 0.382. And from these levels, from the level of 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65, we might have a trend reversal. And this might be only in case if we will continuously have a bullish sentiment from the Reddit thread and from the Wall Street Bets community. So I think that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious with this asset and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!